In this video, I'm going to show you the best alternative to Clickfunnels, so stay tuned. Hey guys, this is Drew Gallagher helping you to grow your business fast. Before we get started, stomp on that subscribe button and slap the crap out of that notification bell so you don't miss a single video. Alright, let's get started. So as we know, Clickfunnels is a super popular funnel builder, and it's used widely by a lot of different industry experts in a lot of different niches. And it can be kind of expensive. It's like $100 a month, or different priced packages depending on what your needs are. It's also a little clunky and it takes time to build it out, and it doesn't have all the features like blogging and other things like that you would like. What if I told you you get all your blogging, all your landing page management, you create a store and all that stuff in one funnel builder, one tool? Welcome to DropFunnels. So I use DropFunnels. I think it's awesome. Although it's cheaper, it's also more valuable. So I'm on dropfunnels.com, and as you can see, you can have unlimited sales funnels, unlimited memberships and courses. You can have an SEO blogging platform, which is pretty cool. So you don't need to be setting up your WordPress integrations and all these other things that are really complex. Also, DropFunnels is built on WordPress, so it's super fast. You don't need any plugins, themes, or hosting, no text setup, unlimited everything, and you can start a free trial. It's awesome. So I'm going to walk you through DropFunnels and all its great features. Just as a heads up, these are the different costs that you're saving money on. You have Clickfunnels and Instapage and all these other things that you would need: SSL certificates, card flows, plugins, WordPress hosting. These things add up. You can get all of this in DropFunnels. So I'm in my DropFunnels dashboard, and as you can see, it looks pretty similar to WordPress in terms of the layout. So you have your marketing, which is your funnels, your posts, and your media pages, which is like your static pages. And then you could have users, and there's ways to create courses. So you can have membership for those courses. You could have products. You could track sales. You could have a link tracker, so you can track if people are clicking on your links and where they're going, and do redirects. You can also track your leads coming in. Today, I'm just going to show you some of the basics of the funnel design. If you want me to make more videos on DropFunnels, then say yes in the comments below, and I would love to do that. So in order to design a funnel, you click on funnels, and then you scroll down and you say create new funnel. So I'm going to say test funnel, and then it's going to create a slug. It's just like a name for the subfolder. It's a technical thing, but it's not a big deal. You create the funnel, and then you're going to be able to add pages to your funnel. So it's super easy. You just hit add page. You can say something like opt-in. You click submit. You're able to do all your SEO stuff, so you can even rank your funnel. So you can put your page title, your description, upload an image. It's also super easy to put tracking codes at the page level and at the funnel level. And it shows you your funnel flow, which is super nice. If you actually want to edit a page, you jump into the page. You can click drop funnels to start building your funnel. And there are tons of different features in here. So this is where the magic happens. You can pick from tons of different templates. So let's say we're doing an opt-in. We want to do lead generation. So I already got my opt-in in there. And if I want to set up my form with something like Aweber, a different autoresponder, I can click the settings button on the opt-in form. I can pick my fields. I can pick what I want to do. If I want to show a message, go to a redirect step, go to the next funnel. And then I can also choose my service. So they have ActiveCampaign, Aweber, Constant Contact, ConvertKit, all these different tools, which is super awesome in order to integrate your email marketing. And email marketing is where the sales happen. You can do a lot of advanced setups, so you can change the margins on the page, you can change your buttons and your different colors and fonts and themes and all that stuff. It's really fast, and it's built for page speed. One of the top factors of ranking your page on Google is page speed. So now you're going to be able to rank your funnels #1 on Google for your niche and certain keywords. And you're going to have built-in blogging as well as easy funnel design. You can edit elements just by clicking on them, and it's super easy to do that. If you want to add custom code or do responsive editing, that's super easy. So you can duplicate layouts, you can add custom CSS. If we do response editing, we can click the R key, or we can click on this button, and it's going to put us in a tablet mode and even in a mobile view, which is super nice. And if we want to preview what this would look like, we're going to click the P button, and you're going to be able to see what it looks like on different devices. So you can see we're above the fold with this one, and it's looking pretty good on each of these, so we could change our funnel up however we please. So this is my overview on how to start creating a funnel in DropFunnels. As you can see, we got some out there really fast. We were able to create a page really quickly. It's super easy to add stuff in there. And if you want to get started with DropFunnels and start making sales at a lower cost than you would with Clickfunnels or any other landing page builder or hosting or anything like that, then go in my description. I have a link special for you. It's a special offer. If you click that link, you're going to be able to try DropFunnels for free. If you're looking to take your online business to the next level, then I have a free guide for you to follow the top steps in order to start a profitable online business. With my guide, you'll be able to pick a niche, learn how to promote products, learn how to tap into affiliate networks to make sales, and you can start generating your first sale today. Go to drewbusinessaccelerator.com/freedom. I'll put a link in my description at the top. You can click that, and then you can go right to the site, enter your email, and you'll get my free guide on how to dominate online. If you like this video, hit that like button. I really appreciate it. Please click the subscribe button and stomp on that notification bell so you don't miss any new content that I release. Thank you so much for listening. There's a video right after this one. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.